Hello there guys, this is Jim from Pafera Technologies. We're going to take a look at how to install the Pafera Python frame. Now today we're going to get our old 5-year-old Pixel XL out just to show you how the framework can run on an old phone.
You might be thinking, why in the world would I want to run a website off of my phone? Well, here's the thing. What we want our classrooms to look like would probably be something like this. But in a lot of places around the world, the classroom that we get actually looks more like this. What we get is a place that has no computers, no internet, and a lot of times they might not even have power. However, what you'll find is that a lot of these places, everybody has a smartphone because they use it for their daily lives. So if you can bring your own phone, then all of a sudden these kids have a chance to see exactly what a modern classroom can look like. It makes a huge difference when you realize what the world could be versus what the world is right now.
First thing we're going to do is open up Firefox and go ahead and go to fdroid.org. This is the free and open source store that you can download just like Google Play Store. You're going to click this blue download button over here. Okay, so let's open this up. And we're going to search for Termex. Now there are two packages you're going to install over here. The one is the base Termex install. The second is called Termex API. This is going to let us use voice recognition later. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install these right now. Okay, now we have a new terminal. If you're familiar with the Windows command line or the Linux terminal, this is the exact same thing, only on Android. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to type termex change repo. And we're in China, so we're going to go ahead and select Tsinghua University. That's probably the fastest one to us. Now we're going to wait for Termex to update itself and make sure we get all the new packages for everything. These updates are going to take a while, so we're just going to skip right ahead. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to install wget. This program will allow us to download stuff on the internet. Okay, now we're just going to type wget pafera.com/install.sh. That's a shell script that's going to install for us. Now, as with anything you download on the internet, you should probably open it up and make sure that nobody's put anything strange on the inside. In this case, we're just going to skip that part and go straight to the execution. Get the executable bit going, and then we'll just install it from here. First thing the script's going to let you do is to change to the right repo. We've already done that, so we're not going to worry about it right now. Now this is going to install a whole bunch of stuff that we need for the framework, so just be patient. If anything comes up, all you got to do is press the enter or return key on your keyboard, and then we'll keep on going. Okay, now we get to the Python part. When you see the red line slowly going across the bottom, those are Python packages from the pip package manager. Now over here, we finally get to the part where we download the framework itself. Now, as you notice, this is going to go pretty slowly because we're in China right now, so we're just going to go ahead and skip to the end. This whole bunch of plus signs and periods is the OpenSSL installer. We're making a new key, so we're just going to type in a random password and then hit enter for all of these. This will let us use SSL later for voice recognition. Now here the framework's installed, so we'll just do what he says. I'm gonna copy and paste this into our browser, which is Firefox over here. I recommend using Firefox. Chrome has this annoying habit of not reloading JavaScript files, so if you make any changes, you have to clear the cache, and it's pretty annoying. Firefox doesn't have that problem. Okay, auto-generated admin password is here. So we're just going to use this to log in. And the first thing that we need to do is to change the password. So we're just going to type Shiba in here, get a nice and easy password. Hit the save button. And then we can start looking at other things. Here's a database model over here. We're going to start by editing the front page. Now this is the login one that you saw earlier. Since it's our own website now, we don't really need these anymore, so we're just going to go ahead and delete all of these. And I'm a bit of a traditionalist, so we'll just go with Hello World as our first homepage. Okay, we'll click the save button here. Then we'll head back to the home page over here. As you can see, we just edited the home page just by typing stuff into a browser. You can go to the settings over here, and we'll change our picture. And of course, we have a picture of a Shiba over here, so that should do pretty well. A lot of people like Shibas. If we refresh the home page, you'll see that our personal profile picture has changed. And that's about how easy it is. Next time, we'll work on exactly how to use it. Goodbye for now.